Curaprox CS 5460 Ultra Soft Toothbrush, 3-pack. Ultra Soft Toothbrush. Our extra soft toothbrushes are recommended by dentists to gently fight plaque and stains with the power of CUREN filaments. Equipped with densely packed bristles, this soft toothbrush provides an efficient yet gentle cleaning. Improve oral health. Equipped with fine filaments, this soft bristle toothbrush gently and effectively deep cleans the gum line, fights plaque, and helps prevent enamel erosion thanks to its soft touch. Take this toothbrush pack wherever you go. Angled brush. Our extra soft toothbrush features an ergonomic handle and an angled, compact brush head that helps remove stains and plaque from hard-to-reach back teeth. Gum toothbrush. Designed to be delicate on gums, our soft toothbrushes for adults gently and effectively clean the gum line, without causing injury or discomfort. Premium Swiss oral care. We've been obsessed with oral health since 1972, that's why CUREN works closely with dental professionals to develop the most effective, exceptional, and attractive oral healthcare products. Top reviews from the United States. Gentle, thorough cleaning. I have an autoimmune disease, so I have to be very careful with dental care. My teeth and gums are also very sensitive. I've been using these for years. Forget about other ultra-soft toothbrushes you see on Amazon. I've tried other brands of ultra-soft toothbrushes and those feel like Brillo pads. I always go back to these.